Hey guys, it's Computer Help here, and so today I thought it might be a good thing to actually show you guys the new Windows 8 and how to download and install it so that you can try it yourself without installing it on your PC worry-free. So a few things you might need is you will want to go ahead and go to this link in the description and download the first one. Download the first one where it says Windows 8 Developer Preview with Developer Tools 64-bit. It's about 4.8 gigs, and when that's done, simply you should get something on your desktop that may look similar to this, just differently named. And then you want to make sure you also have something called VirtualBox, which you can simply go to virtualbox.org or click the link in the description, go to downloads, and simply click right here and install it. So what we're going to end up doing next is I'm going to simply show you how to install it, and then basically after that I'm going to basically just show you how to set it up. So just keep clicking yes and installing with everything. Make sure your internet connection is probably decent enough when you're first downloading it. I suggest you install VirtualBox first. Well, anyway, once it should open up, it should be, I'm just gonna show you how to make a new virtual machine. Click new, click next, name it 8, so I'm gonna name it just something since I already have it. Make sure it says Microsoft, and then scroll down, choose Windows 8 64-bit, leave it on the default size in my view, and then go and try and use any one you want. I usually go with virtual hard drive, dynamic, and then I'd give it reasonably 50 gigs if you use a lot, 20 gigs if not that much, so I'm just gonna go with 20 gigs, and we're just gonna create, and then simply just start it up. Here we go. Make sure once you're done with it, click on it, go to settings, go to storage, click the empty right there, click this little disk, and choose where it is. I already have mine shown, so I'm just going to do that, and then power it up. Sorry about that. You can see it's a bit big for the screen. And then simply just go next, install. Accept, next, custom, the free space, then next, and then simply just wait until this is done. I'm going to pause the video. Okay, so when you're done installing, simply just put in your name for the PC, click next, just use express settings. And then just put what. Alright, so As you saw, that part was kind of sped up, but this is what the new Windows 8 is basically. Simply just a copy sort of thing of Windows 7 and with a mix of the Windows Phone. And you can see right here you still got the basic desktop and everything, the form of how it usually would be. It's a little confusing at first. You can see you can actually put weather. If you get more into it, you can do and add a lot more applications for it. You can customize log off and all this stuff. And if I go into detail on this, if you move down to the bottom left corner, you can see this pops up if you hover like right over the corner, and you can share stuff. You can see the devices, you can go to settings, and you can see everything else. And if you go over to the side, you can see what you latest were at, and it can go basically either way, but basically the start screen is always going to be this. I'm not sure if there's any attachments. You could click on your name, change the title of your name, lock it, log off. That's what it looks like when you lock it, and simply what ends up happening is you simply just slide up. So I'll show you guys that again. Here it is. It shows you the date, and then just slide up and it unlocks. So that's pretty much the test run of Windows 8. Comment, rate, and subscribe.